Welcome to our tutorial on role-based root protection in an Express application. We start by including the Express library and initializing an Express app. This sets up the framework to create our server and APIs. Next, we define a middleware function called role middleware. It's designed to accept a required role parameter. This function will create a closure and return another function that Express middleware expects, taking rec, res, and next as arguments. Inside our middleware, we check if rec user exists and if rec user role matches the required role passed to the middleware. If the user is authorized, next is called to proceed to the next middleware or root handler. If not authorized, we send a 403 forbidden status with access denied message. To demonstrate the use of our role middleware, we protect the admin root. We apply role middleware with admin as the required role. Consequently, only admin users will see the welcome message, and all others will be denied access. Finally, we configure our server to listen on port 3000. When it's running, it will log a message to the console indicating it's ready to accept requests. And with that, our role-based root protection is set up. Unauthorized users cannot access protected roots, ensuring secure role-based access control in our application.